Choosing the best automatic cat litter box is crucial for both your feline friend's health and your own convenience. Cats are particular about their bathroom habits, and a dirty litter box can lead to stress and even health issues. For cat owners, an automatic litter box can mean the difference between constant scooping and a more carefree, hygienic home. Now let's dive into the top 5 best automatic cat litter boxes of this year. All the links to the mentioned products are in the description below for up-to-date pricing and best deals. Let's dive right in. Number 5. Casa Leo's Loo 2. Starting off our list is the Casa Leo's Loo 2, a modern marvel for any cat owner. This litter box stands out with its sleek design and high-tech features, making it a great addition to your home. The first thing you'll notice is its unique aesthetic. Unlike traditional litter boxes, the Leo's Loo 2 blends seamlessly with your home decor, looking more like a modern appliance than a cat bathroom. Functionality is where the Leo's Loo 2 really shines. It uses advanced sensors to detect when your cat has used the box and automatically starts the cleaning process. This not only keeps the litter fresh, but also eliminates odors almost instantly. The design minimizes the chances of litter tracking, a common issue with many other models. Plus, the waste drawer is easy to remove and clean, ensuring that your interaction with the litter box is as minimal and hygienic as possible. In comparison to others on this list, the Leo's Loo 2 is particularly notable for its user-friendly interface. The control panel is intuitive, making it easy to set cleaning cycles and monitor the box's status. It's also quieter than many of its competitors, which is a big plus if your cat is easily startled by noise. This makes it an excellent choice for households where both humans and pets prefer a quieter environment. However, while it excels in design and ease of use, it may not be the best for larger cats or multi-cat households. The space inside is a bit limited compared to some of the other options we'll discuss, and larger cats might find it a bit cramped. Despite this, its performance in maintaining cleanliness and odor control is top-notch, making it a solid choice for smaller cats and single-cat homes. Number 4. PETKIT Self-Cleaning Litter Box. Next up, we have the PETKIT Self-Cleaning Litter Box, which brings a lot to the table for both cats and their owners. This litter box is designed with a focus on efficiency and cleanliness, ensuring that your home remains odor-free and your cat has a pleasant place to do their business. One of its standout features is its innovative triple-layered filtration system, which effectively traps odors and keeps the air in your home fresh. The PETKIT Self-Cleaning Litter Box is incredibly smart, using multiple sensors to detect when your cat enters and leaves. It then initiates the cleaning cycle, ensuring that the litter is always fresh and ready for the next use. This reduces the need for frequent manual scooping, saving you time and effort. Additionally, its waste compartment is spacious and easy to empty, making maintenance a breeze. Compared to the Casa Leo's Loo 2, the PETKIT offers more space, making it suitable for larger cats and multi-cat households. The larger interior ensures that even bigger cats can comfortably use the litter box without feeling cramped. Moreover, the PETKIT model is designed to be energy efficient, using minimal power while maintaining optimal performance. One potential downside is that the PETKIT can be a bit more complex to set up and use compared to the Leo's Loo 2. Its advanced features and multiple settings might be overwhelming for some users initially. However, once you get the hang of it, the benefits far outweigh this initial learning curve. Its robust cleaning mechanism and odor control make it an excellent investment for those looking for a high-performance automatic litter box. Number 3. PETKIT PuraMax Self-Cleaning Litter Box. Moving on to our third pick, the PETKIT PuraMax Self-Cleaning Litter Box. This model takes the innovation of the PETKIT brand to the next level, offering even more advanced features designed to make cat ownership easier and more enjoyable. The PuraMax is equipped with a powerful cleaning mechanism that ensures the litter is always clean and odor-free, providing a comfortable environment for your cat. The PuraMax stands out with its advanced health monitoring system. It tracks your cat's usage patterns and provides insights into their health, alerting you to any potential issues early on. This feature is particularly useful for pet owners who want to keep a close eye on their cat's well-being. The data can be accessed via a smartphone app, making it easy to stay informed about your cat's habits and health. Compared to the PETKIT Self-Cleaning Litter Box, the PuraMax offers more advanced technology and health monitoring capabilities. This makes it a better choice for pet owners who are particularly concerned about their cat's health and want to stay proactive. The PuraMax also has a more robust cleaning system, ensuring that even the smallest waste particles are removed effectively. However, these advanced features come at a price, and the PuraMax can be a bit more expensive than other models. Additionally, its complex technology might be overkill for some users who prefer a simpler solution. Despite these considerations, the PuraMax is an excellent choice for those who want the latest in automatic litter box technology and are willing to invest in their cat's health and comfort. Number 2. Litter-Robot 3. In the second spot, we have the Litter-Robot 3, a well-known and highly regarded automatic litter box among cat owners. This model has gained a reputation for its reliability and efficiency, making it a favorite for many. The Litter-Robot 3 features a unique sifting mechanism that separates waste from clean litter, ensuring that your cat always has a fresh place to go. One of the standout features of the Litter-Robot 3 is its spacious globe design, which provides ample room for cats of all sizes. This makes it suitable for multi-cat households, as it can accommodate multiple cats comfortably. The waste drawer is large and easy to empty, reducing the frequency of maintenance and making it a convenient option for busy cat owners. Compared to the PETKIT PuraMax, the Litter-Robot 3 is more straightforward to use, with fewer advanced features but exceptional reliability. It may not have the health monitoring capabilities of the PuraMax, but its performance in maintaining a clean and odor-free environment is outstanding. The Litter-Robot 3 is also known for its durability, making it a long-term investment for your home. However, the Litter-Robot 3 does have a larger footprint, so it requires more space in your home. This might be a consideration for those with limited space. Additionally, while it is highly effective, it can be a bit noisy during the cleaning cycle, which could be a concern for noise-sensitive households. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Litter-Robot 3 remains one of the best options available, thanks to its reliability and ease of use. Number 1. Whisker Litter-Robot 4. Finally, at the top of our list is the Whisker Litter-Robot 4, the latest and most advanced model in the Litter-Robot series. This automatic litter box takes everything that was great about the Litter-Robot 3 and improves upon it, offering a superior experience for both cats and their owners. The Litter-Robot 4 features an enhanced sifting system that ensures even more efficient waste separation and litter freshness. One of the most impressive aspects of the Litter-Robot 4 is its sleek, modern design. It not only looks great in your home, but also provides a more comfortable and spacious environment for your cat. The improved sifting mechanism is quieter and more efficient, reducing the noise and making it less likely to disturb your household. Additionally, the waste drawer has been redesigned for easier access and maintenance. Compared to the Litter-Robot 3, the Whisker Litter-Robot 4 offers several upgrades, including better odor control and an enhanced user interface. The control panel is more intuitive, making it easier to set cleaning schedules and monitor the litter box's status. This model also integrates seamlessly with a smartphone app, allowing you to control and monitor the litter box remotely. One potential downside is the higher cost, which reflects the advanced technology and improved features. However, for those who want the best for their cats, the Litter-Robot 4 is worth the investment. Its superior performance, sleek design, and user-friendly features make it the top choice for automatic cat litter boxes in 2024. The Litter-Robot 4 truly sets the standard for convenience, cleanliness, and cat comfort. There you have it, the top 5 best automatic cat litter boxes for 2024. Each of these models offers unique features and benefits, so you're sure to find one that meets your needs and keeps your feline friend happy. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and pet care tips.